Hello, dear friends. All India Institute of Medical Science declared nursing officer result on 18th January 2021. In that, they have arranged your mark and roll number, overall rank, and allotted aims also given. According to this roll number and rank, you can check your allotted aims. You have already given your preference, first preference, second preference, and third preference. Some may get your first preference according to your rank. If your rank is good, you will get the first preference. If your rank is little bit low, your allotted aims will be second or third or fourth. Suppose you selected aims Bhubaneswar in your first preference, and New Delhi second preference, and Raipur third preference. If your rank is good, you will get Bhubaneswar, and there is options for you. Let me see that. Here it is given around 4,000 candidates list. You can see here the PDF downloading format. I will give in descriptions, and also you can check from the AIIMS website, AIIMS www.exam.org. In that website also you can download this PDF format. You may already know this informations. Yesterday night they uploaded this one. So there is no interview for you. So no interview shall be held in accordance with the DOPT office memorandum. So there will be no interview. The result is provisional. That means you have to undergo several document verifications in coming steps. So then only they finalize the list. This is only provisional, and you have to verify your original certificates during joining or report of duty time. All the provisionally selected candidates are required to log in portal through My Page and exercise the option as described below and upload the color scanned copy of required original certificate from 21st January 2021 to 27th January 2021 up to 5 p.m. So this is important. 21st January starting, you have to upload your color scanned copy of original certificates, and the time period is 21st January to 27th January 5 p.m. So you have to upload your documents, and you have to select the options. Candidates who have been allocated institute are mandatorily required to select the option to accept the offered seat within the dates specified. Following options will be available as per allocation of institute. Option 1, accept and wish to report and join at this institute and do not want to participate in subsequent rounds of institute allocation. So option 1, that means you have you got first preference. That means you got your preference first. So you are agree that. So you are not going to give option 2, and you will finalize the job in particular institution. That is option 1. In option 2 means accept and want to participate in subsequent rounds if any of institute allocation to upgrade to another institute which was higher in order of preference at the time application for institute and where no offer has been made. In that option 2, if you are not getting the preferred location, you have to deposit 25,000, and you can go for the subsequent rounds for the counseling to get your preferred location. So that's it. If a candidate is offered post at any of the institutes and does not select any of the above mentioned options within the time specified above, then it will be considered as refusal by the candidate to accept any of the offered institute, and his or her candidature for this and all subsequent rounds will be cancelled. So if you are not going to opt or agree with the options within the time frame, your candidature will be going to cancelled. So you will be very careful. Option 2 shall not be available to those who have been allocated institute which was there first preference and have to mandatorily choose option 1 and complete further process are applicable. I think there is no doubt you have to log in and my page section, and you have to scan the original color copy during this time period, and you have to select option 1 or 2, accept the seat offered, or either you have to go to the subsequent rounds and pay 25,000, which will be refundable later. You have to read all these important instructions, what all are the certificates you have to upload. All these things you have to read very carefully. You take time and read. So that's all for today's video. You please subscribe this channel for your further updates, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you.